Hey DevOps professionals, today, we are diving into the world of cloud automation, the secret sauce that's revolutionizing how teams build, deploy, and manage software. If you've ever wondered how top tech companies move so fast, these 7 tools are about to become your new best friends. Number 1, Terraform, your infrastructure architect. First up, Terraform. Think of it as your digital blueprint creator. Imagine being able to describe your entire cloud infrastructure with just a few lines of code. No more manual clicking and configuring. Terraform lets you create, update, and version your infrastructure like a pro. Number 2, Ansible, the configuration maestro. Ansible is like having a super smart assistant who can configure hundreds of servers simultaneously. No complex agents needed. Just write a playbook and watch the magic happen. It's configuration management made ridiculously simple. Number 3, Jenkins, continuous delivery superhero. Jenkins is your continuous integration and deployment guardian. It takes your code from commit to production faster than you can say deployment. Thousands of plugins mean it can adapt to virtually any workflow you can imagine. Number 4, Kubernetes, container orchestration king. Kubernetes is like a master conductor for your containers. Scaling up, rolling out updates, handling failures, it does it all automatically. If your applications were a symphony, Kubernetes would be the conductor ensuring perfect harmony. Number 5, Docker, containerization champion. Docker revolutionized how we package applications. Imagine shipping your entire application environment in a lightweight, portable container. Development, testing, production, everything works exactly the same way. Number 6, AWS CloudFormation, Cloud Infrastructure Sculptor. CloudFormation is AWS's gift to infrastructure management. Create templates, define resources, and watch your entire cloud environment spin up with precision. It's like having an architectural blueprint for your digital infrastructure. Number 7, Puppet, configuration management wizard. Puppet turns complex system configurations into simple, manageable code. Imagine maintaining hundreds of servers with consistent settings, automatically. No more manual updates, no more configuration drift. So, here you have 7 incredible tools that are transforming DevOps. Remember, these aren't just tools, they're your gateway to building faster, more reliable, and more scalable systems. My advice? Start small. Pick one tool, learn it deeply, and watch your skills and confidence soar. The DevOps world is waiting for you. Until next time, keep automating, keep innovating.